Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making sausage cream cheese balls. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For this easy recipe, we just need 3 ingredients: a pound of ground sausage, a Bisquick baking mix, and 8 ounces of cream cheese. And the cream cheese is softened. I just left it out on the counter for an hour before making this video. And if your cream cheese is straight from the refrigerator, you can soften it by microwaving it for about 30 seconds, just so it's easily mixed with the other ingredients. So I'm going to now mix my 3 ingredients. So let's dump the sausage in a bowl. I'm going to add 1 cup of Bisquick baking mix and 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. And now mix everything until combined. So now it's been mixed. It is hard to mix, so it took me about 5 minutes to combine everything. And also, you can help yourself with your hands to just mix it all together. And now once everything is mixed, let's now shape it into meatballs and put it on a baking sheet. I line my baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. So just make meatballs. All done. So now, once I rolled it into meatballs, let's bake them. So I'm going to put them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So now the sausage balls are done baking. They've been baking for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at them, they look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. So let me take them out of the oven, and now I will try it. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. Let me just cut one so you can see they're fully cooked inside. And now let me try it. so delicious. They're so soft and so juicy and so full of flavor. You're going to love these sausage cream cheese balls, and they're so easy to make with just 3 ingredients. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!